Okay, so the problem I was having was that water would leak through my flush. Like water was leaking down through here, and it was just getting into my basement. It was a disaster. So what we did was, I kept on trying to play around with this, figure out what it was. But apparently, if you squeeze, see this metal thing right here? If you squeeze the top and the bottom, you can adjust how high it goes. Because the water would sometimes come up to here, then sometimes come up to here. And if it come up to here, then it would leak through the flush. But if it would come up to here, it would be fine. So I just figured out that I could adjust it, and therefore it will stop the, once you do that, it stops the water from draining. So I made it a little bit longer, and now it will stop much earlier. Also, I had noticed that this piece had fall off, which was weird, but now that it's all set up, let's see what happens. Okay, so we're heading into the last few seconds here of water fill up time. Let's see how high it gets. I want it to even get lower than before, so that way I'll never have this problem again of water leaking. Originally I had thought it was leaking from here, but it was actually leaking from the flush, which is weird. Okay, so see, the water line is like a centimeter or whatever. So that actually is very good. It will hopefully never leak again, and that's how you adjust it. You pinch this metal piece, and you can slide it up and down. I'll show you real quick. So you can pinch this right here, top and bottom, and then pull it up or down. I don't want to adjust it again because I'm already scarred from having all these problems, but that's the way it is. I'm not sure which way this is supposed to be, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Anyway, I hope this was helpful to you. I looked online, I couldn't find anything, so I hope this helps. And that's how you get your flush not to leak. If you have the same system as the one that's here, figure out a way to get this metal rod to either be longer. You can either replace it or something else if you don't have the option to adjust it. But definitely have some kind of adjustment so that the water level will not get so high.